What's up, YouTube? It's the OG back again with another video. You new to this channel, hit the subscribe button. Also hit the thumbs up. I truly appreciate it. I got a big package in. I'm gonna do an unboxing with you guys, so sit tight. Let me find some. Let me sit this down. Hold tight. Oh boy. Can y'all see? Alright. Got this boy in, so I'm outside and it's kinda hot, so bear with me. What's all this dirt? When it came off the FedEx truck, had a little mud on the end of the box and stuff. I ain't tripping on that. I just hate touching that nasty shit, you know? Damn mosquitoes out here so damn disrespectful, man. They bit the shit out of me on my leg the other day. But yeah, let me flip this over. Let's see. Let me show you guys what it's looking like. Alright, so what this is right here, this is like a little squat rack. You could do dips on it. You also can use it as a, you know, basically anything with an inclined bench. You can bench on it and stuff like that. You know, you guys just got to stay tuned. Like I told you in my previous video, I got some more things coming in for my basement. I'm trying to put together. It's gonna take me some time. You know, I gotta get everything situated and moved around. But anyway, yeah, this is it. I gotta put this one together. So y'all sit tight and I'll show you what it's looking like.